Someone has been very naughty. Was it her? No. Was it him? No. Was it her? Sydney, did you do this? Oh. Sydney, I have to clean it up now. I have to clean it up. I think we know who it is. It was him. Sydney, I have to clean this up now. That was your bed. Your bed. You're not getting a new one. It has no stuffing in it. That was naughty.